Bookmap is a trading platform that aims to give users a deeper insight into the order flow. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's dive in and see if it's worth your time and investment. So, what exactly is Bookmap? At its core, it's a visualization tool for traders, especially those focused on order flow and market depth. The platform provides a heat map that shows liquidity and order book data in real time, which can be a game changer for scalpers and day traders. The user experience is fairly intuitive with a clean interface that allows for easy navigation. You can customize your charts and indicators, which is a plus for those who like to tailor their setups. However, some features might feel overwhelming for beginners, especially if you're not familiar with order flow trading. One thing that stands out is the replay feature, which lets you go back in time to analyze past market movements. This can be incredibly useful for honing your strategies. However, I noticed that there isn't a lot of detailed documentation available, which might leave some users in the dark about how to fully utilize all the tools. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Bookmap offers a unique visual representation of market data that many traders find invaluable. The heat map and order book visualization can really help in identifying potential market moves, but there are some frustrations too. For one, the pricing can be a bit steep, especially if you're just starting out. Additionally, the learning curve is quite steep for those who are new to trading. The lack of comprehensive tutorials and support can be a barrier for beginners. If you're a scalper or a trader who thrives on order flow analysis, Bookmap could be a fantastic fit. However, casual traders or those who prefer a more straightforward approach might find it unnecessarily complex. In conclusion, Bookmap is a powerful tool for serious traders looking to gain an edge through order flow analysis. If you're willing to invest the time to learn it, it could be worth trying out. But if you're just dipping your toes into trading, you might want to explore simpler alternatives first.